So when we first used Purple-Eye, which was over 16 years ago, the process has been the absolute same. It's been fantastic from A to Z. You get support at every single way possible. And it's very simple. You speak with the technician, you speak with the engineers, and they're able to label each thing. So when it comes to the restaurant, you could install it yourself. I was 9 years old when I first installed my first Purple-Eye system. And believe me, if I can do it, anyone can do it. When we come into work, we put the system on, we're able to take orders very confidently and very comfortably. We can take orders from the customer. If a customer has any allergens, if a customer has any modifications they would like to make, the system is second to none. You can write down every small detail you need to know, and it sends it straight to the kitchen, where the engine room, so the chefs can see, okay, a customer on table 7 has an allergy to nuts perhaps. And we know the severity of this. So Purple-Eye has actually allowed us to send it straight to the kitchen within 2 to 3 seconds. Chefs can whip it up straight away, and we don't have to worry. Where now we have the system in place where there is no more human error, and it's so easy to run on a day-to-day basis. I mean, when we're working on the weekends or we have 150 covers in or 200 covers in, we have absolutely no worry and full confidence in the system. Purple-Eye is the leader when it comes to EPOS systems, especially in the UK. They've got everything that a business would need. You know, when you're looking to grow a company or when you're looking to streamline your processes, Purple-Eye is the only place I would recommend.